everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I did some kicking coffee barbecue sauce. This is one I like to do for my beef. So brisket, short ribs, steak, hamburgers. It goes good with pulled pork or chicken as well, but I like it for my beef products because the spices. Kick it gets is from the spices that I put in it, and the coffee as well. I put a list of ingredients down below so you can see what all is in it. Fairly simple. Just mix your ingredients, get them well incorporated, then I stick it on medium heat for about 20-25 minutes. Let it slowly come up to a good simmer. Kind of stirring pretty frequently because it does have some sugar in it and you don't want it to burn on you. But I like this one for beef, like I said, because of the spices in it. And too, you saw some cocoa in it. That's an interesting one that you might be like, what? But I'm telling you, it works really, really well. But anyways, this is another one of the barbecue sauces I really like to use. If you want the ingredients, like I said, they'll be listed down below. And I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.